Rainy day at home. It is a rainy day outside. The rain is loud, and the sky is gray. The family looks out the window and sees big drops falling from the sky. They wanted to go to the park, but now they must stay inside. They feel a little sad, but then Mom has an idea. Let's make this a fun day inside, she says. Mom brings out some games from the closet. She finds a big puzzle with many pieces, a set of cards, and a board game called Snakes and Ladders. The children, Sarah and Max, smile and clap their hands. They love games. First, they start with the puzzle. It is a picture of a forest with many animals. Sarah and Max look carefully for each piece. Here is the bear, says Max. I found the deer, says Sarah. They work together, and soon, they finish the puzzle. It looks beautiful, and they feel proud. Next, they play the card game. This game is called Go Fish. They each have some cards, and they ask each other for a match. Do you have a 5? Asks Max. Yes, I do, says Sarah, giving him the card. They laugh and have fun as they try to collect pairs. After the card game, they feel hungry. Mom makes hot chocolate and brings cookies for everyone. They sit at the table, drinking and eating together. The rain taps on the windows, but they feel warm and happy inside. Then, they play Snakes and Ladders. They take turns rolling the dice and moving their pieces. Sometimes they go up the ladders, and sometimes they slide down the snakes. Oh no, I hit a snake, laughs Max. Yay, I got a ladder, cheers Sarah. They all laugh, even when they lose, because it is just a game. Finally, it is evening, and the rain has slowed down. The family looks outside and sees a rainbow in the sky. Wow! Look at that, says Mom. They all smile and watch the rainbow together. This rainy day turned out to be a fun day after all. They played games, ate snacks, and laughed together. Sometimes, staying inside can be the best adventure.